Today also I brought another new interesting birthday and get well soon care packages and gift baskets for her bath relaxing spa set. Women who have everything. It's a nice one. It is about 24 US dollars. It is a very interesting one with bath bomb, facial mask, soap, lotion. About this item, unique gift for women. What's in this get well gift? Suitable for multiple occasions. Premium care package for women. Perfect gift for various festival. I think it is a very nice one for you, especially for you. Will check these photos. What is this? Very nice insulated tumbler, body lotion, fuzzy shocks, bath salt, bath bomb, facial mask, gift card, silk eye mask. Everything is available. A nice one, very interesting one. See how it is working. 3 hours keep hot, 9 hours keep cold. See this one also. This is the total pack. You can see it is a very interesting one. Soft fuzzy socks, silk eye mask, gift card, silk headbands. I know that you will love this if you buy a one. This is a very great opportunity. So my dear friends, especially for you, this one, I think that this is especially for you. If you like this, come to the link in my channel description and buy a one. So my dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.